Hello and welcome back. Thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, I'm Deirdre and I'm doing 28 days of little tasks around the home that just get neglected because they're little. Hey, it'll only take me 5 minutes. Only take me a minute. I'll just do it later. This is the later. But today I'm kind of cheating because today I'm just doing flowers for my home, and I thought it's one of those things that I take a lot of pleasure in, but I haven't been doing it enough. In fact, I've barely been doing it at all. And so it does count on the challenge, but it's just straight out fun. Now, disclaimer, okay, disclaimer here, I am not a flower arranger. My normal flower arranging is, oh, buy a lot of something and plonk it in a really nice tall vase, and it just looks fabulous because nature is fabulous. I'm a gardener. Having said that, I'm looking out at my balcony thinking, oops, forgot to water this morning. But anyway, I'll do that before I go out. I promise I'll water my little balcony. But yeah, I'm a gardener. I grow plants. I don't fiddle around with them at home. So this is not, is it ikebana? Is that right? Hope that's not the ritual suicide one. Anyway, whatever it is, I'm not a Japanese flower arranger. This is just me making flowers in my home, and I've learned a system that sort of works for me, and I thought I'd share it with you. So if you'd like to come along with me, I will put together a couple of bunches of flowers for us. What I've got here, I've got some dahlias, and if you're American you will say dahlia, and it is simply tomato. They're both right. English people tend to say dahlia, American people tend to say dahlia. That's what they are. And I think they can be the centre of, or at least one of them can be the centre of the first one, I think. Let's see, you're a beauty. Look at that. Isn't that stunning? And what I'm going to do is I just start by basically spiralling around. I've got these little blush pink roses that tie in perfectly with it, and I have some rather chunky bits of eucalypt gum that I will use just to be the greenery. You take the pieces, the flowers, the variety, and you spiral around the centre until you get basically a look that you want. These are the other ones I'm using, which are the lisianthus, which are beautiful this time of the year in particular, and these are nice and local, and they're also that beautiful blush pink colour that is so lovely. Let's see, I haven't done any prep, so I'm not cheating. I'm just going to wind them around and work down around this beautiful flower. And some more of the roses. I'm sort of twisting as I go. Some more of the eucalypt, the roses, and the lisianthus. Water in it, and I will come back when I'm finished and I'll strip off all the leaves below the water line. You can see there are some of the top ones that are quite raggy, and I don't want to, I like the sort of the soft natural look, but I don't want it to look too raggy. Oh, great. And there it is. That's about as much of an arrangement as I'm ever going to do, but it's enough to make the flowers look great and give a real feeling of abundance. Very natural. This one's getting a bit too natural. We'll have to pop that one down a little further. Yeah, but I rather like that. Look at that. So I'm happy with that. I'm just going to clean up around it, and I'll come back and I'll put a little water in it, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like. I picked some larger flowers, so the dahlias, some very pretty soft pink roses, and then the lisianthus, which has quite a different sort of petal, but in a similar sort of pink. And so I've gone through the graduation of the same colour with a little bit of white coming out and some greenery coming out. And there it is, sitting with the ponies. And I think that is a great improvement on my previous attempts at any form of flower arranging. It looks soft, it looks natural. I mean, it's got that tumbled, not structured effect, which is about obviously what I can do. But it certainly is a nice simple system, and it's so much better than what I could do before. So just think main one in the centre and then work spirals of different colours and different flowers around it until you're happy. And then you will be able to say as well that may not be your thing, and for some of you I'm sure it is, but it certainly will be a bit more fun. So that's day 8, I think. Yes, that will be day number 8. Thank you for watching, and of course I'll be continuing on with this little series. I have no idea what I'll be doing tomorrow. Depends a bit. If it's outside, I might be working on the balcony because that needs some love rather desperately. Not sure otherwise. See what it's like. It's all about the weather at the moment for me. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and put some comments down below, and share it with friends and family. If you're new and you'd like to follow along, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you know when I've posted a video. I'll be back tomorrow with something else, so until then I hope whatever you're doing, you're having a lovely time, and I'll see you then. Bye.